my song on my new Aqua Jazz DVD, which you can get from Vimeo. And it works really well with the chorus because it's a big band song and it's an instrumental, which is why it took me a really long time to put together. But I'm proud of it, I really am. But I wanted the chorus to highlight the big band feel. So this is what I did with the chorus. I went knee, kick, swing around. Knee, kick, swing around. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, that's actually not the actual speed. That's me doing it slow so you can see it on the camera. But this is how it normally goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Knee, kick, pull around. So the only arm action that you're doing is this. Because by the time you bring your arms back in, you've already done the knee kick. Watch again. Knee, kick, pull around. Knee, kick, pull around. Knee, kick, pull around. So my arms are basically doing a circular pattern, but more to the opposite side than I am doing it to this side, right? And the circular arm action is to help swing the leg around. So knee, kick, swing the leg behind. Knee, kick, swing the leg behind. So with Sing Sing, I do 4 on one side, 4 on the other, and later on, the chorus changes slightly. So we end up doing 3 on one side, and then sprint, and then 3 on the other side. And then jog. So if you like using different type of music, like big band or something that's got a big sort of dance feel about, this is a really nice little exercise to do. You do it classical music, will work really, really well. But hey, you can put it into any class actually. That rhythm pattern will get your heart rate up when you're teaching it. The other foot's not stable. I'm actually hopping on that leg. It's important that when you demonstrate it, which I'll show later on in the video, that you're hopping on the other leg. Hop, hop, around. Hop, 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 hop. So that leg is actually keeping the tempo while this one's going 1, 2, 3, 4. So, fingers open to drag that water around. You're really dragging. Get the leg up as far as you can, swing as far as you can within the tempo. Great, cool exercise. Fun, works well with dance music, and that's this week's Aqua Tip. The chorus action for Sing Sing. Now, this is a fun activity to do in the water. It's a little bit more challenging to demonstrate on land, and you might want to use something for balance. But let me do it without balance first, and then we'll go on to how you can use an item for balance. So it's knee, kick, sweep around. Knee, kick, sweep around. Whoops, kick the chair out of the way. Didn't realize how long my leg was. So knee, kick, swing around. Knee, kick, swing around. Knee, kick, swing around. So I can do it on both my legs. I don't find it too difficult to do, but for some of us we might find it difficult because of you have to keep hopping on the other leg. So if you've got any joint related issues, that could be challenging to do. So using something where you can grip it on the side, like a chair or a frame, knee, kick, swing around, knee, kick, swing around, demonstrating the legs, but then you'll need to somehow also then demonstrate the arms without hopping. So I would teach the leg first and then throw the arms in, only because often the arms become really natural for people to do, to try to get that leg around. So generally speaking, a lot of people will include their arms, especially if they understand that it's a really big movement and trying to sweep that leg right around the body. So the arms come in and you just want the arms to sort of circle around like that. So that's the arm action. So knee, kick, swing around. Knee, kick, swing around. So remember that in the pool I wasn't just scooping around with small arms. I wasn't going like this, which would feel natural to do on land, but it's not what you're doing in the water. So it's knee, kick, swing around. Knee, kick, swing around. So the arms sort of go to the opposite side. So of course you demonstrate that on the right, and then of course on the left to do the opposite side. So indicate that they have to hop as they perform that exercise, and they've got to feel, and I love this word, they've got to feel a sweeping action of the arms and the legs. So I like to use that word, sweeping arm action. So it indicates expansiveness and it being a large movement. And that's this week's acquative.